If the wind is blowing hard, it can be hard to get off the dock. So today I'm going to show you a simple rope technique to get you clear. Hi, I'm Mark from BoatUS Magazine, and we're going to use a technique called springing off. And that is just using a rope around the piling and back to the boat, no bow, no stern thrusters, and we'll get clear of the dock without doing any damage to the boat or the dock. You'll notice that I have a line attached to a midships cleat, and I then run this line forward around a cleat or piling on the dock. I then loop this around and run it back on board. We don't want to tie the line off to the dock because once we've swung the bow out, we want to be able to let the line run around the cleat, or in this case the piling, and bring it quickly back on board. You'll need a helper for this manoeuvre, and I'm lucky enough to have Lenny to help me. He's got two jobs. One is to hold of the end of the line and to be ready to let go when I say, and also to position a fender between the dock and the hull to save damaging the boat. With one turn around the cleat, the line is quite secure and it will not be pulled from Lenny's hand. Now I'm shifting the boat into stern gear, and you'll notice that the tension comes up on the line. You'll also want to turn the wheel towards the dock to let the bow swing out. When the bow of the boat is well clear of the dock and the boat is at a 45-degree angle or so, swiftly shift into forward and at the same time turn the wheel the other way. It's necessary to move swiftly during this manoeuvre, as we don't want the boat to be swung back into the dock and do any damage to either the boat or those that may be in front or behind us. As the boat gathers way in forward, get the crew to take the turn off the cleat and drop the line overboard. Bring the fenders back inboard and pull the line back onto the boat. Keep going forward until you're well clear. So there you have it. I've used a rope and a simple technique to get away from the dock. It's no big deal. Go out, practice on your own boat, then if it's really windy, you'll know exactly what to do. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you on the water. Thanks for watching.